Alright, I got you hooked up. I'm gonna go for a little ride. Of my Whipple supercharger now that I put the smaller pulley on it. Went down to a 3.25 pulley. Got a little bit more balls. Need to get a data log with Rob Shoemaker. Maybe find a spot that's safe to 60 to 130 or something. Last time I got a hood from Anderson Composites, they said if it was cracked, not to send it back because they'd rather pay a couple $100 to get the crack repaired than pay the freight and then have to send another one back. I guess it ends up costing them more money in the long run. So that's what I'm going to do. This transmission get up the temp before we start flooring it. Now it's barely 120 degrees, so next mod should be. If you can help me figure it out, but drop a comment. I already got all my carbon fiber mods for the outside of the car. I go ahead and put some real carbon on the inside. Right now it's just these sticker overlays, and I'm not really too happy with how they turned out. They don't really look all that great. Binding. I think it's just characteristic of the 355 gears. It's nothing that's going to go away. Even with the loaded performance differential. If I went down to a 350 or 331, it might be a little bit less. Traffic. Not really safe to be doing it around this area. Might go to Mexico. These heads today will be on my street tires. It's basically my Ford Star setup. 20 by 9s on the front, 20 by 11s on the rear. Mickey Thompson 18th Street, SS on the rear. Michelin Pilot 4S on the front. That's pretty much where I run on the street every day. When I go to the track, I put my ET Street R's on the rear. And the Mickey Thompson ET Street tires in the front. My wife went ahead and got a roof reserved for Mustang week next year, so I'm planning on going to that. Maybe meeting some of you guys if we're going to head out there. Be in the one in Galveston. Never been to one, but I've been to other big car shows. It should be a lot of fun. Meet some of the vendors. Be there all week. Get there Monday, leave Sunday night, or Sunday morning rather. We got all these big events at the track going on right now, so I can't really go race. We got Fall Nationals at Guinness. They're preparing for that. And also at XRP this weekend, they got Jake's regular race, national race, whatever the hell it's called. Pretty big tire cars and money cars and all that shit. I ain't got nothing for them, so. Just a little street car. Alright. We're in Mexico. Hopefully it'll be cleared out over here. Not too much traffic. I'm not gonna hold my breath. Make a U-turn, come back the other way. All fresh concrete, should be pretty good traction out here. Relatively safe. Should only have around 900 horsepower at the moment, so still nothing too big. Start data logging. Okay. Alright, here we go. I got the 122. I got the special VMP connector harness though, and I think that's what the actual air temp going into the motor is 124. I got the IC chiller, and that was like the third or fourth hit in a row with very little cool down, so I guess it's not too bad. Go ahead and bring it home. I think she did pretty good for being on street tires and 85-degree heat though. Try to get some draggy hits later on today and let it cool off. And I'll come right back here and do some draggy hits, see how it does. I just wanted to get Rob at least a couple data logs so he'd have something to look at. Should be back with some more content. Just keep checking back. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any comments. Oh yeah, I also wanted to pick y'all's brains about what y'all think I should add to the car next. Maybe some mods. Running out of ideas. I did all the carbon I can do. So I'm gonna put some more carbon on the inside. Real carbon pieces, not this overlay crud. Not really too happy with it. Thanks a lot for watching.